don't drink it. Why you drinking it for? Oh my God. How the fuck you drunk it?
Man, back with another video, man. Jug, with my boy here, Woody, and we here with another episode of Clean Out the Refrigerator.
This is like the first episode.
I mean, yeah, it is the first episode, but Clean Out the Refrigerator, alright?
So we're gonna try some random shit from the refrigerator, and one of us gonna be blindfolded, right?
Mm-hmm. You're gonna be blindfolded first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Really first. Nah, really first. Really first. Ain't no series, man.
Alright, there you go, your blindfold, my guy. Alright, time to take something out the fridge. Make sure you blindfold up real good, bro. Alright,
Hold your head down.
hold your head down.
You can see from this. You can see from this.
So they take them out the fridge.
Hold your head down. Oh, you got double that. You said put my hand down?
Yeah. So as you can see, we got little leftovers.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Don't worry about it. You good. You safe. This shit like 3 weeks old. He gonna be good. Alright. Head up.
So you gotta keep my eyes closed?
Eyes closed. Alright, yeah. Don't worry about if it's slimy or anything like that.
Whoa. That's it?
Yeah.
Buffalo, right? Okay, that's chicken.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit weak. Oh, take out the blindfold. Look what you eating.
That's easy. What? Your turn.
First one gonna be easy.
Your turn. Put this on.
First one gonna be easy. Oh, you fucked up. Alright. First one.
Give me your knife.
Was it good? You fuck with it?
Yeah, it's just cold.
I
That's it.
thought it was just a little cold. He was gonna fuck with it.
Give me your knife.
Oh, so basically, he gotta let you know if he fuck with it or not. So he just gonna be bringing out shit out the fridge and eating it, and see if we fuck with it or not.
Alright.
Joe, man, nigga never been scared of eating nothing, boy.
Nah, you gotta close. You can see through that. You gotta close your eyes.
I close mine.
Now put your head down. I ain't trying to.
Ah, shit.
Ain't got to none.
Please don't do me greasy. Please don't. Ooh, I should call this eating blind. Eating blind. I'm gonna block my ears so I can't.
No, that's not normal.
Pause the video if you ain't talking, cause we ain't got enough.
We not talking. I just got something for you. Okay. I got something for you. What's that? I mean, that's it. Alright. Ready? Yeah. Put your hands up.
Oh, thank. What is that?
Don't worry about it. Eat it. Now don't look at eat it. Eat it.
allergic to that shit?
No.
Nah.
You're not eating it.
I know that's nasty. How can you?
Open your eyes.
Aloe,
And tomato. I think you dropped the tomato.
Oh, that's why that shit nasty. That aloe bitter as shit. Alright, say less. You see, I like how you got me. Here. Go ahead, here. I like how you did that though. Don't worry. Remember, we gotta eat it.
Alright.
We gotta eat it.
Just throw it in my mouth.
You gotta throw it in your mouth. No did.
Pause.
Don't worry. They gonna get you right. Sit stand picking kind of food. I ain't gonna care.
He's trying to trick me.
God damn.
What you mean, damn?
You gonna need some.
A little special sauce on it. Here. Where your hand at?
Wait, what is that?
Oh, I'm supposed to take it, nigga. Eat it.
Take it.
Oh, he's still eating that shit. How you still eating that shit?
Chicken. What sauce you put on there?
Vinegar.
I put that
Vinegar.
on it.
That's light. That ain't nothing.
Damn, I'm ass. Okay.
Nah, eating straight vinegar on wings is crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy though. I ain't gonna lie.
And taking another bite is even more.
That's diabolical.
One of them flavors.
That nigga diabolical, right?
Alright, my turn, right?
Yeah, your turn. Let me get the math.
You thought that shit was good. Hey, I'm about to finish the
You
wing.
about to finish that shit. Oh, chill. You got nothing, man. Come on, man. Do me good, man. I want
Fucking the
some
fridge.
good stuff.
What y'all doing fridge?
The tomato came from the fridge.
This nigga found that
Man, I don't know. Hey, I was give me the nasty shit in the fridge, man. I don't care.
Look at the color around real quick.
I still taste that aloe, bro. That aloe flavor not going away at all. Y'all comment down below if y'all fucking with this clean out the fridge series.
I'm about to clean out your system. Fresh laxative.
Yeah, nah, man. Y'all trying to scare me,
Organic laxative. Nigga making no potion. Hey, put your hand down, bro. This nigga making a science experiment. Oh my god. Oh man.
Alright, man. I ain't scared of shit, nigga. Oh, yeah.
They making a potion, man. That's
why you mix up like that?
Suspense. Oh fuck.
a mouthful.
A mouthful. You don't have to drink the whole thing. It's a cup. I call it the juice.
Alright.
On jug.
Hey, on jug, man. I stay juiced up.
We got a hump.
A mouthful. You ain't got it. Shot.
Oh!
I had diarrhea for a month.
Oh! A second one is insane.
That shit tastes good though.
It tastes good.
He just did that.
Oh,
And lemon juice.
that shit burn.
Show the camera. It's the barbecue sauce that probably gives
Yeah, the
It
barbecue.
tastes good.
Nah, that shit tastes good though.
Oh shit.
After you just did
You said that
something.
shit tastes
I just
good?
created a
Nah,
sauce.
taste it, taste it.
He cap.
Show the camera.
He got
Taste
his cap.
it. I'm dead serious. Taste it.
Imaginez combien
Such a
d'argent
nasty.
Hey, I told you.
Let me get some water.
Have me some hot pause this shit. Hold on.
Damn, bless
You know, gotta wash it down with a coat real quick. There you go. Why you open my coat, man?
Because the taste
Don't worry,
is.
yeah, you don't want to taste something.
Taste
Why
is
fuck you up? Y'all see that bullshit he did? Don't worry about it.
Alright, bet.
Put that mask on, man.
Make another
Don't worry about it.
concoction.
Alright, be
Put that
careful.
mask on.
Be careful.
Put that mask on.
Fucking with me. Be careful.
This is the third round?
This yeah, I went first. I fed you 2 things, man. Yeah, I fed you 2 things. Yeah, this is the third one. This is the third one.
Let it focus.
Nigga fed me chicken. Them shit was good.
Oh, let me get that. Let me get that.
Yeah, what?
Yeah. I'm gonna put some special sauce in there. Yeah, I don't like how you didn't. Let me get the other one.
Ok? Donc, là, dans le premier,
Niggas gonna be. Hold up, come in here. Oh yeah. Boom. A little bit. Alright. Alright, let me get something to mix it.
It sounds dangerous.
It's not. You're gonna be good.
Nan mouman ke nan pounen ke
Don't do it.
Man, that bitch soak. I'm gonna let that bitch soak
What
in
you
it.
mean let it soak?
Don't worry about it. I had to switch because the camera died. So next best thing is the phone, you know. So you gotta take a gulp.
A goat?
Yeah.
Where's that? Where is it?
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna give it to you right now.
That shit sounds scary.
I ain't gonna keep that in there.
What you mean? Ugh?
Nah, that shit, I said, cause that shit look good.
Yeah. All right.
Scary, I can't see what you put in there, man.
Your hand right here. Yeah. And you gotta take a good gulp.
Nah, nigga.
Nah, nigga, I ain't doing all that.
That's tomato juice.
Tomato juice?
It tastes like tomato.
It's good, huh? No way, bro.
That soup been in there for like a half a year.
It's not been that long.
It's been there for decades.
Fuck off.
Oh, he looking at it too.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Nah, we gotta take it up a notch. I don't like that. I gotta take it up a notch.
That was sweet, nigga. Took 3 sips
It
of
just tastes, you put vinegar in
tomato
it.
juice.
You put vinegar in it, right?
I put vinegar, lime, and barbecue.
I could taste them. It's not bad.
Tomato.
It's not bad. You just made a meal. But give me the sauce. Stop the taste.
That was wild, yeah.
Hey, we're trained professionals. Nobody's gonna get sick. We got strong immune system.
Don't do this at home.
Don't do this at home.
Literally. Alright, put the Blindfold on.
Stomach of steel. That stomach made of steel.
This shit.
Oh my God, bro. Please, bro. Doing these good. I'm still fucked up off that last one, bro. That shot. I should have took the rum. I should have took the rum on there. Shit, I should have took the rum. Really nasty, though. I can't believe you ate that soup. I guess it's different when you blindfolded, huh? You don't give a fuck. Bro, that last one fucked me up though. Please.
It's not gonna be liquid.
Yeah, that liquid one fucked me up. I still feel it. Y'all comment down below if y'all fucking with the vid though. Comment down below. I told y'all I don't get more creative with it. And I'm still dropping more music. I can smell it from here though. What is that? Brother,
Something good.
I smell it. Brother, oh no, when my dad do that loud, you know it ain't right.
This shit gonna flush out the worms in your system. What's the mix? This shit gonna flush out your stomach for good.
No,
You shouldn't breathe.
I smell it. Whoa.
Don't smell it.
Oh my fucking
Hey, the
god.
smell making you sick already.
We ain't got a spoon, bruh.
Yeah, you gotta take a
Oh
spoon
my
of that.
fucking god. Yeah, you just need a spoon.
Come on, bro. Hey, first episode of Clean Out the Fridge, man. Y'all fucking with it or
You don't
not?
need a spoon.
Yeah, but he need a. I just put a little bit in your hand. I just put.
No, just drink it.
Like that. I don't have to drink now. Okay.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Is that Even he said he don't want you to drink it.
That much.
I just want a little bit, bro. Come
Alright,
on,
go ahead, go
man.
ahead.
He not gonna drink the whole
Put your hand
thing.
up. No. I
Take a
grab
sip.
it. Grab the cup. Grab the cup. Alright, go ahead.
Oh, Jud.
Bro, I'm dead ass nervous. It's not. I'm not even playing right now, but I dead ass feel like I'm like that shit ain't it.
Nah, it's light.
You gonna get your real juiced up.
That shit. I smell it.
Don't drink it. Why you drinking it for? Oh my god. How the fuck you drunk it? Oh my goodness. Why did you drink it?
I'm vomiting for real, bro.
Oh my goodness. You just made him throw up.
Oh. And y'all laughing like that.
I said don't drink it.
I knew that shit gonna let him throw up, man.
That shit smells so bad, bro. The smell made me behind it. Swallow it.
Oh my fucking god.
Nah, I'm good, bro. Challenge over. This shit over. This shit done. You see that nigga eyes, bro? Nigga really vomit off that shit. I'm good. If y'all want episode 2, comment down below. Get us 100 likes.
Oh my god.
I won.
That shit look like shit.
I won.
You won this one. You won
I
this
think
first round.
it's the garlic.
Yeah, bro. That shit made me vomit.